This meal is 1,340 calories based sa post sa isang calorie deficit group. Nagtatanong yung nag-post kung okay lang daw ba yung meal niya since ang goal niya per day is 1,488 calories. Kung ito talaga yung meal niya, meaning meron na lang siyang over 100 calories na titira for the day. Technically, pasok to sa daily calorie allowance niya. Pero, hindi porket pasok sa daily calorie allowance mo, okay na agad yun for fat loss. Just by looking at this meal, meron siyang white or brown rice with chicharon. Maraming carbs and fat pero halos walang protein. Mataas yung chance na after a few hours, gutom ulit siya since yung protein helps you stay full for longer. Ang mahirap dito, apektado yung mood mo. At pag na-prolong yung gutom, mas prone ka to binge eating. Ang ending, sobrang over ka na sa calories mo for that day. Dahil wala ring masyadong protein yung meal, mas mababa yung mababurn mong calories kasi mas maraming kailangan na calories yung katawan natin para mag-digest ng protein kaysa sa carbs and fat. So just by eating enough protein, makaka-burn ka na ng mas maraming calories nang hindi mo napapansin. To answer the question kung okay nga lang ba to, that depends. Kung sobrang consistent naman talaga sa nutrition, meaning na-hit yung calories or macros for a period of, let's say, 2 months, at ito lang yung once in a blue moon na cheat meal niya, okay lang. Pero kung madalas na meal to throughout the week at tinatanong kung okay lang dahil pasok naman sa daily calories, hindi pwede kasi magmamatter yung quality ng calories more than the quantity of the calories. Remember, important yung balance ng protein, carbs, and fat kasi lahat sila may trabahong ginagawa sa katawan natin.